So, who all are going crazy in this sale season? Mainly Zara की सेल के लिए, you know, Zara में mainly females, they go just crazy and they wait so desperately कि Zara की सेल कब आएगी. And अभी ये सीज़न है and I hope आप लोगों ने शॉपिंग कर ली होगी और अगर नहीं की है तो तैयारी कर रहे होंगे, right? But I had a real disappointing experience today at Zara, and this is not the first time, to be honest. It's the second third time you can say. पहले एक बार हुआ था when I bought my denims from there, and it was a real bad experience. So for now I just want to check it out. I don't want to talk about it. It's past. So उस time if I never complained, so अभी कोई sense नहीं बनता. But today what happened? I after spending so much, after spending so much time, कितना time लगता है, proper एक अच्छी dress ढूंढने में. So I spent so much time there, and then I selected 2-3 pieces for myself. And then what happened? Obviously वो प्रोसेस बहुत ही लंबा हो जाता है. You have to try, you have to do everything, and then you have to be in that line. और उस लाइन में भी you don't know कि कहाँ पे exchange का है, कहाँ पे ये है. So most of the time बहुत कम time होता है कि जब they are actually helping you. नहीं तो it is kind of थोड़ा chaos होता है वहाँ पे. We all know, right? Zara पे I have actually always felt कि ज़ारा का जो एक उनका जो सर्विस डिपार्टमेंट है, शायद उसमें थोड़ी सी और हॉस्पिटैलिटी एंड ट्रेनिंग की ज़रूरत है. आई डोंट नो वेदर आई एम राइट और रॉन्ग. शेयर योर एक्सपीरियंसेस विद मी. सो व्हाट हैपेंड वाज लाइक आई actually went there. Finally it was my turn and I wanted to pay, and then what happened was like she gave me less discount. I was like no, but there is this labels, because sale में वो जो red color की labels होते हैं ये लगा हुआ है, तो according to this price is very less. But why are you telling me extra price? Then she was like I don't know about it, ma'am. And she was like not rude, I should say, but she was very dull. She was like I don't know, ma'am, our system is showing that. I was like but this is not our fault, we have selected according to our pockets, and तो ऐसा नहीं हो सकता, and this is not right, so call your manager. But they were not calling the manager as well because time ही नहीं था उनके पास. Then after insisting so much, she announced on the mic 2-3 times. She was calling some, I don't know, I don't even remember the name. She was calling that woman, but nobody came there. So finally I got a little pissed off because obviously it was like too late for me. I was just waiting, and then I said okay fine, it means I'll have to leave these clothes with you because I cannot pay extra. So she said आपकी मर्ज़ी है मैम, आपको छोड़ना है छोड़ दीजिए. आई वॉज नॉट कॉलिंग द पर्सन फॉर यू, इट वॉज जस्ट दैट हमें कैंसिल करना था, तो इफ़ यू वॉन्ट टू गो यू कैन गो. दैट वॉज रियली रूड, सीरियसली. आई वॉज सो पिस्ड ऑफ. हमारे इम्पॉर्टेंट टाइम, एनर्जी, like these companies, they are earning so much money from us. So this is the kind of treatment they are giving us. And last time was, again as I said, I don't want to talk about it. It was pathetic experience there. Sometimes I actually feel like stop going to Zara. So let me know in the comment section if you have received this kind of treatment ever there and you have felt, because most of the time ऐसा होता है कि हम लोग कुछ बोलते नहीं हैं, but that's not the right thing. I think हम लोगों को बोलना ज़रूरी है कभी कभी. Anyways, I'm really sorry for the if there is noise around, because I'm not using the mic right now and there is not much lighting, but That's it. So see you in the next video. Bye.